Hi, everyone. Welcome to week 2. I am in the process of reading your theorist papers and grading your quizzes. So far, I'm really impressed with the work that I've seen. You may have noticed that if you finished your quiz early, I do tend to do things like grade quizzes as they come in. So don't be surprised if that happens. And I hope that you were able to all submit your theorist paper as a Word document, because those of you that had me before know that I like to provide comments and track changes and send you back the paper that way. It's a lot easier to read the comments than when I have to do them in Blackboard. If that's a problem, let me know and we'll see what we can work out. So let's get into week 2. So week 2, we are going to be talking about developmental milestones and talking about the status internationally of children. This week you have 3 articles to read. One about child development, one about health information, and actually there's 2 of them about child development. And then I'm going to ask you to visit the website for Save the Children and Progress for Children. There are no lecture notes for this week, but there is a movie, The 10 Things All Children Need, that everyone should watch. If you go into the week 2 dive deeper, you'll find some additional resources that you may be interested in. Those are optional, but they're just some extra for you. For week 2, you're going to have 2 quizzes. You have a multiple choice quiz and a short answer quiz. There is no written assignment this week, but all of you should be starting to work on your hot topic presentations. You should have seen both an email and an announcement with the week that you were assigned to. A big shout out to everybody who volunteered for week 3 and week 4. So you should be working on those. And I really think that's it for week 2. If you are interested, please note that we do have some meetups on Sundays. There's going to be one this week at the 10th, which is the 10th at 7:30 Eastern Standard. And hopefully you can just hop on that Zoom if you're interested in asking any questions or just meeting up with some of your classmates to have some discussion. So I think that's it for week 2. If you need me, please drop me a line, send me a message either through Blackboard or directly to my email. I will get back to you as soon as I can, and rarely will you ever find that I don't get back to you the same day that you send me a message or an email. So take care, have a great rest of the week, and I look forward to learning some more with all of you this week.